Hi guys, so today we are off to Play Factory on a Sunday afternoon. We'll play some games there and hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. See you guys there. Ta-da! So guys, we are here at the Play Factory now. We'll be playing some games and let's see how it pans out. So Munmun is buying the tickets. You can play different types of games there. Like you can buy separate tickets, like the trampoline and all separately, or you can go for different packages. So we have decided to go for the all sports packages, which includes each and every game that is there. Let's see. We'll try to cover all of them, and let's see how much we are able to do. So we are done with our trampoline and jumping. It was very exhausting and it was too much fun. There are a few guidelines that you need to follow. First of all, you should always come in pajamas. Jeans are not allowed here. And there are typical do's and don'ts that you should also follow. So guys, we are heading down to the rope course next. It's a 10-way rope course. Let's see some exercise and have more fun. It's a little hectic, little tiring. Let's see how much we are able to do. First rope course.
एक मिनट रुको, रुके रहना, हम तुम्हारे साथ चलेंगे.
आप कभी स्ट्रेट पकड़ना है और इस गैप के अंदर डालेगा, स्ट्राइक ट्राई कर लीजिए.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Okay, done.
भाई ट्रैम्पोलिन पे लेना।
So next we are heading down to the drift car. I have seen that it is fun. Let's see how much fun we have drifting through this county roads. This is in full charge. Yay, drift!
अरे अरे
So it's time for us to play some cricket now. My most favorite game with Munmu. Let's see who takes the better of the other one.